Greetings from Dystopia, episode 47. Just out for a quick walk today to get some quick footage to test some focus ideas I had and see if I can't figure out the focus on this thing. Sadly, there's no manual focus, otherwise I would have done that by now. Not the prettiest of backdrops, but it's what you can't see down below that makes it the prettiest. All the flowers. So, alright, I'm going to go get my walk in, and then I'll come back and say a quick goodbye to you guys, and then I will see you back on the bench later on. I think I may have nailed this focus problem. We'll have to figure it out here when I get back and offload the video, but it does seem to be doing a little better with that change. Still finding the exposure system a little odd, but I mean, it makes sense photography-wise, but what I'm seeing on the screen versus what the histogram is showing me doesn't quite add up. So it may just be, I have to learn this specific one. Right now, the camera's looking way the hell back over here. So they're looking at me. Focus on me! Speaking of focus, like I said yesterday, facial tracking does not work in 4K. So I have to constantly keep an eye on the camera. This is funny. It's just a random old sign here. Obviously it marked this tree. I'm guessing it must have marked the big tree in the back there, which is now grossly overexposed. See, so this facial tracking is driving me nuts. I like the facial tracking in 1080. I don't know, there's an idea. I could switch to 1080 when I'm speaking to camera and then go back to 4K when I do everything else, but it's adding another step to it. I just need to pay more attention to what I'm doing. Worked on the Z-axis ideas last night. So the fourth axis. Gimbal cameras only have 3 axes, an X, a Y, and a C. And the stability issue comes in when you're walking with that Z axis, which is what your arm does when it holds it in place. So if you switch down, as I turn you guys around and bring you back up, so right now you've got your X, your Y, and a C, but you don't have a Z for stabilization. So that is what we have to work on. I was actually amazingly surprised because of the weight of this. I found 2 really good 4th axis stabilizers. I think will work just fine. So I'm going to wait until I build my rig basically how I want it, and then I'll decide on which gimbal. Both of them support right about the 3-pound range, which is I think fairly doable to keep it that light, and it's solely because of the size of the pocket that's going to make that possible, because it is so small. I'm walking through a mud puddle here. This is what happens when, now you guys have all heard me gripe about it before. This is what happens when you don't keep mountain bikers in check. Again, I've said it a million times. I don't have any problem with mountain bikers. I do have a problem with them not being good stewards to the woods. Because now you have people, and I can see here readily, people walking off trail to skip around the mud. And that's, camera. See? Everybody has camera problems. Not just you. Somebody had a horse out here. It's kind of an odd place to go horseback riding, but okay. Next question is, where the hell did they park? So I'm trying to step around all of this mud, so be patient with me. And I'm in a different part of the preserve that I've never walked in before. Oh boy, the mud puddle just got worse. Lack of a zoom function is killing me here. And it looks like with that exposure, you're not able to see just how wet that mud is. Alright, let me get to walking here, and I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's time to check out of here. Get back to the house. Check out this video I shot today, and then I'll see you guys on the bench later tonight. Alright, be good, be well.